He wahine Māori e ngā kaunui ana ki ngā ture whakamarumaru pū me te āki i te pire pū i whakataungia i tēnei tau. Ko Nicole McKee te kaitono i te tūru orongotai ki te whanganui atara mo te Rōpū Act. Hei ko tāna, ko te iho o te kaupapa o Act, he whakau i ngā mōtika o te tangata ki te whakapuaki i ōna anō kōrero, ā, he rōpū e tautoko ana i te tauritetanga i Waenganui i ngā iwi katoa. Ana i te pūrongoa e ruera rerekura.
E toro atu ana ia ki ngā apataki o tana rōpū tōranga pū. Te aua nei kei te rata ngā tangata ki a ia.
It's actually been noted how many people hug me when I go into these different events, and that's from Cape Reinga down to Bluff. And I think that's really because I'm just a normal, true blue person. I'm not that career politician that they're constantly hearing from.
E inoi ana ia ki ngā hapori Māori ki tua whenua, ki rō ngā here hoki.
We have a lot of rural and isolated communities who have been adversely affected by legislation that will stop them being able to hunt and gather from their ngāhere and to put kai on the table. So look, in the first instance, if you're a hunter and a gatherer, you should be looking at the Act policies around firearms, because it will be beneficial to you to make sure you can still get out into the ngāhere legally.
Koe nā te take kei te tautoko ia i te Rōpū Act.
I was really impressed with David Seymour's principles on the firearm issues when they first came up in March last year. And then I've watched him with the other principled stands that he's made for farmers and for landlords as well. So, you know, I thought this is actually a party that I want to be a part of, one that values and likes the freedoms that New Zealanders have.
Ei tāna, kei te tautoko te Rōpū Act i tō tātou tino rangatiratanga.
We're about less governance and less bureaucracy, and it's really important that we allow people to actually take personal responsibility. But for tino rangatiratanga, we've also got charter schools, which is a way of being able to have people earn the mana that they should be able to get by making the choices that better themselves. And charter schools will definitely do that.
Kua rite ia mo te pakanga nui e are ake nei. Iruere rerekura te karare.